tún ti yá o ẹ fojú ló ń jẹ ayọ̀ jẹ lórí ìkànnì yìí o Ṣòkòtì TV YouTube channel Ẹ̀rìnmọ́ Sẹ́lẹ̀kẹ̀ ètò tó yà kílálà pẹ̀lú olólùfẹ́ yìí o Abdulrasaq Adéwálé Ṣòkòtì alágbẹ̀dẹ ọ̀run àdìrà ètò bí ẹni ṣàna ìyàwó ẹ máa wò kàn nìyí láti ìgbàdégbà o bó ṣe ń fọ̀rọ̀ wérọ̀ pẹ̀lú lọ́balọ́ba àtàwọn àgbààgbà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó tún fètò ẹ̀ wá ìrànlọ́wọ́ fọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó níṣòro àti gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ tó ń jà ràn-ìràn láwùjọ wa gbogbo ẹlẹ́ ó máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí o Ṣòkòtì TV YouTube channel ẹ máa wò ó.
Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí o ẹ̀yin ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òde. Ọlọ́run Lédùmarè a máa fi ṣọ́ ẹ̀ṣọ́ wa. Ṣé rí Yorùbá sọ pé àìrìnjìnà ńlá ìrí abúké ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́. That is to say pé tó bá ti jẹ́ pé oko etílé là ń lọ àárọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́rẹ́ kéékèèké bọ̀ téèyàn bá ti rìn jìnnà yóò rí ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ tí ó dẹ́rùbà yóò mọ̀ pọ̀ kẹ́rẹ́ ni ṣùgbọ́n nítorí kò tí ì rírú ẹ̀ rí ó máa dẹ́rùbà. Ṣé rí mo máa ń sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn nǹkan kan ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin yẹn mi mo máa ń sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn nǹkan kan fún pàápàá jùlọ fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ ìyá mi tí mo máa ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Mo máa ń sọ fún wa wípé àti ọkùnrin àti obìnrin bàbá ń wá àìdá bó ṣe wà lọ́dọ̀ ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ló dá wà lọ́dọ̀ obìnrin bàbá ń wá ẹni tó dáa jù bó ṣe wà lọ́dọ̀ obìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ló wà lọ́dọ̀ ọkùnrin. Ṣé wá rí àwọn nǹkan wá ṣẹlẹ̀ tó yà mí lẹ́nu torí tó bá lè mú obìnrin sọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ mí gan tọ́rọ̀ yẹn jẹ mí gan tí mo wò wípé tí mo rí pé èèyàn láti adapt sí nǹkan tóbìnrin yìí sọ lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ irú obìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọlọ́run fún wọn lọ́pọlọ gan ni o mi ò sọ pé mo lọ́pọlọ jù ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ̀nba ọpọlọ díẹ̀ tí ọlọ́run fún mi mo máa ń appreciate ọpọlọ gan ìwọ̀nba díẹ̀ tí ọlọ́run fún mi yẹn the largest part of it mo máa ń fi appreciate ọpọlọ ni ọpọlọ àwọn èèyàn àwọn ẹlòmíà sọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn ní mọ̀ nǹkan tí èèyàn lè fi wé ní èní ni mo rí àwọn ọmọbìnrin méjì kan ẹ̀rù ọlọ́run sì bà mí woman kan tí mo kọ́kọ́ rí ó ṣẹ̀rù bà mí gan o mo tún rí ẹnì kejì náà ó tún ṣẹ̀rù bà mí mo rò pé tí nǹkan tí mo rí bá jẹ́ àríkọ́gbọ́n fún èmi tó jẹ́ àríkọ́ṣe ó yẹ kémi náà lè aláwọ̀ kó jẹ́ àríkọ́ṣe fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn kò dé lè jẹ́ àríkọ́ṣe fún wọn tí kì í bá sí pé wọ́n gbọ́ wọn wá níná lè jẹ́ ló tó lè jẹ́ àríkọ́ṣe. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn mo bẹ̀ yín mo fẹ́ kì í ṣe pé mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wo woman yìí nìkan mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wo tí ọlọ́run jogún fún ní ọpọlọ mi ó fẹ́ lágbára ju tí èmi lérò lọ. So ìdí nìyí tí mo fi máa ń sọ wípé àtọkùnrin wa àtobìnrin wa gbogbo akọ́là bad bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bad ṣe wà ní ọkùnrin ló wà ní obìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ tó good ṣe wà ní ọkùnrin ló wà ní obìnrin bí ẹni tó lọ́pọlọ gidi ṣe wà ní ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ló wà ní obìnrin a gbọ́dọ̀ máa kóyàn àwọn obìnrin ká má máa fi ewé bò ẹ dákun mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ listen kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọmọbìnrin yẹn sọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ listen for me.
Hi everyone, how have you been? Shalafi Alewa Shidada ni mo bá yín. So today, I have not come to ask any question as usual. There is something going on where I live, in the city I live. The city I live, there is a federal university, there is a polytechnic, you know, students area, there are so many students around. So there is something going on that I want to call our attention to. Now, behind me here is a departmental store / supermarket. I won't mention the name because they did not pay me. And I wouldn't want to turn my camera because it took a while to place it. So on this road, there's a road in front of me here that goes down to another departmental store. Now, when you come here at night, when I say night, I mean between 8 and 9 p.m. because they close early here. By 9:30, everybody has closed. So when you come here at night, there is a gory sight you are going to see that is very scary. Now, you will see boys who are young boys. They will come in here. They will drive in the latest cars that you will be wondering how a boy that young got money to buy such a car. But today is not for the boys. Let's leave the boys. You will now see some girls, follow them. These girls will be, let me say, from 18 upwards. Young girls, some of them are 19, 20, 21. Very young girls. You will see them, they will be minimally dressed. Some, they will not wear bra. You people selling bra, how are you doing it these days? Because it's like these girls, they don't want to wear bra again. They will not wear bra. They will wear pants, aka bomb shorts. Because when I see it, some of it look like pants. In fact, there was a day I came here, one girl, she wore jeans, she now wore waist bead. Because she wanted to show the waist bead to the world, she now opened the zipper of her jeans for us to be seeing it. She looked like a mad person to me. How will you open the zipper of your jeans to look for waist bead? So you will see them. They will follow the boys. They will follow the boys. Those ones will buy things for them and they will go in the car. A lot of these girls, they live with those boys. I'm talking about girls that their parents think that they are living in the hostel. Many of them are living with those small boys.
Oh, wow.
Now, I know what you think I want to say is that I want to call the attention of mothers. No, today is not for the mothers. Fathers, how far? How many of you are close to your girl child? How many of you are close to your daughters? Now, let me land though. Do you know why I'm saying this? There is something I noticed about daddy's girls. When I say daddy's girls, I mean girls who are very close to their dads. You know those girls that will say, like, daddy me, daddy me, daddy me. Eh? How did I know? My mom was a daddy's girl. I have a friend who is a daddy's girl. I have friends who are daddy's girls. I have my niece is a daddy's girl. Now, these girls who are daddy's girls, the first thing I noticed about them is that they are bold, they are assertive, they are respectful, but they are bold. They have 110% self-esteem. Daddy's girls are hardly ever wayward. And a lot of times, daddy's girls are usually very successful. So, when a girl is very close to her dad, I think I've only seen one daddy's girl that is wayward, and that one, a lot of other factors are also responsible for it. Daddy's girls are hardly ever wayward. Fathers, there is something about you that rubs off on your daughters, that when a girl is closer to her dad, she behaves normally. She behaves well. I don't know whether you have noticed. In fact, when I started thinking about it, I thought I was the one that was overthinking because my mom was a daddy's girl. My best friend, one of my best friends in school, she was the only one among us that made a first class. She's a daddy's girl. She's very intelligent. All the daddy's girls I know, they are usually very intelligent. She's a daddy's girl. She's very intelligent. She can talk about any topic because she's close to her dad. She can talk about politics, football, lifestyle, Christianity. There is no topic she can't talk about. And I noticed that a lot of them are hardly ever wayward. Daddies, there is something about you that rubs off on your girls, that when you are close to them, they are hardly ever wayward. Don't leave these girls to their mothers alone. I know there are some of you watching me now say, I want just you single brothers. I want a prayerful woman. Let me tell you, no matter how prayerful your wife is, there is a role you will play as a father. She cannot play it because she's not a father. She's a mother. Let me break it down to you. There are some of you watching me, and you baba come and tell me, you are soft. In fact, you are even softer than the mother. And you normal. And you go too soft to do. Yet, the moment whatever children ask from you, you give them. You are the one they will say, their daddy alone indulge, daddy alone budget. But guess what? The moment you enter the house and the children are making noise, and you say, oh, more one in here, you see everybody is maintaining steals. You don't beat them, you are the softer one. Because there is something about you, fathers. I want to encourage you, daddies, today. If you don't believe me, go to Google, go and type in attributes of girls who are closer to their dad. See what Google will bring out for you. Daddies, get close to your daughters. Love your daughters. Show them love. Show them that love from home. Those of you who have daughters who are less than the age of 10, oh, glory. Glory, you can start now if you have not started. Get close to them. Love them. I remember an incident that happened when my mom was still alive. You know, in the department she was working then. One lecturer invited a girl, a daddy's girl, home and told her that she should come and mark script at home. When this girl, gullibly, went home to the lecturer's house, eventually, she had a near rape experience. But there was a struggle between the lecturer and the girl. Immediately she was able to get out. Guess the first person she called? She called her dad. In fact, that one sank into my brain that a girl had a near rape experience. And the first person she thought to call was her dad. She called her dad. And she was not scared. She was not fearful. She was not ashamed. She narrated everything in total that happened to her daddy on her phone. Guess what? The Baba flew in from Kaduna to South here.
Yeah.
When the Baba got to the department, he went straight to the HOD's office. He fought for his daughter. That was when I knew that Abiyama has no gender. Abiyama has no gender. So daddies, that girl that is following a Yahoo boy around, it might just be that touch of fatherly love that is missing in the life of that child. I want to encourage you, fathers. Don't leave all the work to the mother alone. There is something about you, fathers, that I think it is grossly untapped. You have this influence on children that it is very unique. But then the society has told us that Daddies, there is something God has placed inside of you that when you get close to your daughters, they behave well. And I pray God will help you in Jesus' name. Amen. And for those of you who are fathers, that you have become a terror in your house, the moment you enter the house like this, your children will run away. Your children cannot talk to you. They cannot open up to you. There is nothing prestigious about it. There is nothing prestigious about it. Go and change your ways. Be friends to your daughters. I pray God will help us in Jesus' name. I'll come again next time.
Ìyá mi alábìbáríkà. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. Sherry, okay, obìnrin ló sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o. Obìnrin ló kò sọ̀rọ̀ láti pọ́n ara ẹ̀ lé as a mother. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ kankan láti pọ́n ara rẹ̀ lé as a mother. But ó fi ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin, kò sọ pé màmá kì í ṣe òbí o. Ṣùgbọ́n ó fi ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin kálukú hàn. Ṣẹ́mà lọ́dọ̀ tèmi bó ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ bàbá yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló rí lọ́dọ̀ ìyá o. Tí ó bá ti jẹ́ pé bàbá nìkan ni tí kò rí nǹkan tó yẹ kó rí náà lọ́dọ̀ màmá, gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kó rí lọ́dọ̀ ìyá yẹn náà ó máa láàkì ẹ̀ ni. Ó máa láàkì gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kó rí yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ bá wo explanation woman yìí ó yẹ kẹ́rù bà wá àwa pàápàá jùlọ àwa tá a jọkùnrin táwọn obìnrin bá lè jáde tí wọ́n lè fún wa ní challenge ni o kí wọ́n bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ó fún wa ní challenge gbogbo ọmọ tí ó bá là tí ó lù láyé yìí ó ní di parental care both parental care ṣùgbọ́n woman yìí ó elaborate ó fi ìyàtọ̀ láàrin méjèèjì hàn ni kì í ṣe pé ó condemn ọ̀kan fún kan ó fi ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin méjèèjì ntóbìnrin lè dá sí àti ntọ́kùnrin lè dá sí ó fi wọ́n hàn èmi gan náà mo fi Ọlọ́run Lédùmarè búra mo ti wà ní ipò kan bẹ́ẹ̀ rí ipò kí n fẹ́ wọlé káwọn ọmọ mi súré wọlé bọ̀ nǹkan tó fa tèmi ni pé tó bá mú ọmọ mi súré wọlé bẹ́yẹn áìdà kó mọ̀ pé bóyá mísíkì tán ń play lọ́wọ́ kì í ṣe tí mo gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ mo máa bá wọn jà lórí ẹ̀ ọ́ bóyá n tó wọ̀ tó mọ̀ pé àdádì ò gbọ́dọ̀ bá rí eléyìí lára àwọn máa complain wọ́n máa ṣàwọlé sẹ́mu pé ìyẹn ti yàtọ̀ fúnra wọn ó yàtọ̀ fún pé bàbá wèrè tó dé so àwa tá a jọkùnrin òun lànà fi máa ń ṣe mí ńgbà míì nígbà tí bóyá ìyàwó wa lọ́kọ àwọn tàbí wà lákọ̀yàwó tó káwọn ọmọ lọ tó jẹ́ pé one-sided of the parental care yẹn ló ń rí kò sí n tó lè máa ṣe fún láyé èyí tí ò rí yẹn máa tẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ iwájú torí Ọlọ́run tó ṣe òbí ọmọ ní méjì ìyá àti bàbá Ọlọ́run mọ̀ n tó ṣe ẹ má jẹ́ àfi gbogbo nǹkan máa dá Ọlọ́run lẹ́bi Ọlọ́run mọ̀ n tó ṣe so tí kan bá ti wá kú ń bẹ ohun tí ẹrù kéèyàn divorce ìyàwó tó fi máa ń bà mí nìyẹn ẹrù yẹn máa ń bà mí in the sense pé nǹkan kan ti kúrò ń bẹ nìyẹn bọ́bá jọ́dọ̀ ìyàwó lọ́wọ́ parental care àtọ̀dọ̀ ìyá nìkan ló máa ní tó bá jẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá lọ́wọ́ parental care bàbá nìkan ló máa ní mo tún ṣẹ́rí ní the same òní ni mo fi decide pé episode eléyìí nǹkan tí máa fi ṣẹlẹ̀ eléyìí mo tún wá rí obìnrin míì tó tún sọ nǹkan mi tẹ́rù tún bá mi náà torí tẹ́ bá wo àwọn obìnrin méjèèjì ẹ rí wípé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ń wò wọ́n báyìí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé responsible woman ni wọ́n tẹ́ bá ti ń wò wọ́n lójú báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lójú wọn ẹ ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n responsible gan ẹ tún wá gbóhun tí obìnrin kejì náà tún sọ tóun náà tó dẹ́rù bà mí.
Women only love men who treat them like shit. I'm not joking. Like I'm not saying this for you to follow me or for you to click or for you to do this. But if you would listen to everything I am about to say in this video, I can guarantee you that you cannot learn this from any university. Yes, there is no university on earth that can teach you this. Okay. Women love men that treat them like trash. Hold on, let me cook. So if you listen to me, it's going to save you years and years of chasing after women that are not interested in you. And then if you also take your time and listen to me, I am going to teach you how to make her love you and respect you. But whether you like it or not, if you don't take out anything from here, know that that woman that you're simping for does not give an F about you. Question is, why do women love guys who treat them like shit? The guys that normal people like you and I would describe as toxic. Why? Every woman has got the answer. The answer is simple. Why do they love toxic guys? A toxic guy is unapologetic. 100% unapologetic. They don't care about you. You see the woman you are calling 24/7, sending 105 messages. A toxic guy does not do that. He forgets. A lot are more important to him than that woman. But you then carry coochie, do you something. He knocks anytime he wants, whenever and wherever he wants it. He is bold, he is confident, he cannot be predicted. He is a man of his own. He is a man of his words. So you see that everything I've mentioned is the man putting himself first. So everything, you understand? So this girl, instead of even thinking about her, is busy thinking about how to win this man over. He is chaotic, but she loves him. He is unapologetic, but she loves him. He is everything you don't want from a man, even you that is a man, but she loves him. You that you are doing everything. Why are you still struggling to get her attention? Why? Okay, so let's talk about, what about you? You're a great guy. You want to play it safe. You want to go. You want to be gentle. You want to get her attention. You are this. You buy her things. You do this. You do this. She will still cheat on you with that toxic guy. Yes, she will still cheat on you with that toxic guy. Because you are not what matters to her. You see, if you are not chaotic, if you don't give her that up and down emotion and temperature, everything, if you are not unpredictable, she will still use you and dump you. It is simple. You are not what she wants. She does not want a man that is careful on how to handle her in the bedroom. Don't handle her with respect on top of bed. Don't. Women don't like it. All those ones you think that when you meet Olosho, you want to go with your head, you want to do everything. Do it with your woman. It's not, you know, the way you knock your wife is different from the way you knock my oga. If she is your main chick, knock her. Don't be respectful when you are knocking her. Ask them what those guys do to them. You can like and follow to learn more. I'm here to help.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you, my sister. Sherry, gbogbo nǹkan láyé yìí la nídìí láti máa kọ́gbọ́n kún. Mo ní tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lónìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí episode ní yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn obìnrin méjì tí mo rí yìí dẹ́rù bà mí gan. Torí gbogbo nǹkan tá ń lé káàkiri ilé ayé pátá ló pé sínú méjèèjì. Kò sí nǹkan kan téèyàn nídìí mọ́ láyé lẹ́yìn nǹkan táwọn méjèèjì ti sọ yìí. Gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá lè kọ́gbọ́n nínú táwọn méjèèjì sọ yìí, ó máa difficult fún láti jìyà. Ó máa difficult fún láti má ní ọjọ́ iwájú rere. Ó máa difficult fún láti má ní ọmọ tó ṣe tọ́ka sí. Ó máa difficult fún láti rìnrìn kúrìn. Ó máa difficult fún láti sọ̀sọ́kúsọ. Ó máa difficult fún láti ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀kúṣe. Ó máa difficult fún láti rìnrìn kúrìn. So, mo nígbàgbọ́ pé àwọn òbí tàbí kí n ní àwa òbí yàtọ̀ fóbi o, abiyamọ yàtọ̀ fábíagbá o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sọrú eléyìí times 200. Àwọn tí ò ní gbọ́ abíagbá ò ní bá yín gbọ́ o. Torí tó fẹ́ ṣe ti wà lẹ́mìí tiẹ̀, kò sí nǹkan kan tó lè yí ọkàn yẹn padà. Ọkàn òkúta lọ́lọ́run fún wọn. Tàbí kí n sọ pé ni wọ́n fúnra wọn. So, àwọn náà build ẹ̀ débi tó fi dòkúta. So, nǹkan tí mò ń try láti sọ ni wípé tí irú eléyìí bá ń wáyé fún àwa ọkùnrin lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan tá à ń gbọ́ látẹnu àwọn obìnrin wa, àṣé ó yẹ káwa náà wá kíyèsára. Kí a má jẹ́ kí nǹkan tí obìnrin àkọ́kọ́ yẹn sọ kó wọ orí wa kábìlì pé àwa nìkan ni èmi nìkan lọ́mọ mi fẹ́ràn. No. Àbí èmi nìkan lọ́mọ mi lè bá sọ̀rọ̀. No. A gbọ́dọ̀ ní níbi wípé bó ṣe wà open sí àwa sí tó yẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló gbọ́dọ̀ wà open fún àwọn màmá wọn tó. Torí pé àwọn nǹkan míì tún wà tó máa bá ọmọbìnrin míì lérù láti sọ fún bàbá. Ẹ má jẹ́ àparọ́ tara wa jẹ. Ipò bàbá yẹn sì máa wà ńbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ó máa easy fún láti sọ fún màmá ẹ̀. Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó jẹ́ pé níjọ́un a máa ń fi pamọ́, orí burúkú ló máa ń kó bá àwọn ọmọ lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la. Gbogbo sex education, ara àwọn nǹkan tí kéèyàn ní knowledge máa ń jẹ́ kéèyàn ò ní nìyẹn. Sex education ó yẹ kó wà lára nǹkan tí wọ́n máa kọ́ ọmọbìnrin ní school àti nílé. Ní school àti nílé, kí ìyá wọn sọ tí ó necessary fún obìnrin láti mọ̀ kan sọ fún un. Kí bàbá sọ ohun tó necessary fọmọ ẹ̀ láti mọ̀ kó sọ fún un. So gbogbo ohun tí ó máa mú kí ìlọsíwájú bá ìgbésí ayé wa nìyẹn. Tí máa ní kí ìlọsíwájú bá ìgbésí ayé wa, ẹni tí ìlọsíwájú bá ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ ni ẹni tí wọ́n bí tóun náà wá tún bí ọmọ, not just ọmọ o, tóun náà bí ọmọ tọmọ ẹ̀yẹn wá túnra rẹ̀ bí, àwa tó bí wa bí tá a túnra wa bí, àtàwọn ọmọ tá a bí táwọn náà tún túnra wọn bí. Títúnra wọn bí yẹn ara òbí ni wọn ó ti kọ́. Kìí ṣe nǹkan tí kìí ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lè gbọ́ nínú àwòkọ́ṣe bàbá àti ìyá wọn á bọ́rọ̀ nínú ẹ̀ náà. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé ìyàwó rẹ̀ ò tí gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì, ìgbà tí ìgbà mú ni. Rántí pé ọmọ ẹ̀ ń wo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn o. Ìwọ tó bímọ tó jọkùnrin, rántí bí o ṣe ń lu màmá ẹ̀ yẹn, ńlò náà ó ṣe lu ìyàwó nítorí pé kò strange sí nǹkan tó ń rí ní gbogbo ìgbà ni. Ìwọ ìyàwó tó jẹ́ pé kẹ́ tó sọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹ́jú méjì ó ti káṣọ mọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ lọ́rùn tí ń gbà lójú, irú yín náà wà. Ẹ̀kọ́ wo lẹ ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yìí? Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé àwọn ọmọ yìí wà nínú ilé, gbogbo ń tẹ̀ ń ṣe ni wọ́n ń rí. Ọkọ ò tí sọ̀rọ̀ méjì ó ti káṣọ ọmọ lọ́rùn, ó ti kó kinní mọ́ lọ́rùn. Tó bá jẹ́ ẹni tí ó máa ń wà provoke early ni, àwa gba ẹ lójú tàbí kó gba ẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ kó di wọn náà hàn, wọn ló pàyàwó ẹ̀. So gbogbo nǹkan la gbọ́dọ̀ fi kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́. O ti rí ẹni tó, mo ti sọ fún yín pé, mo ti sọ nínú sórí kan tí mo sọ níjọ́ kan pé mo wa mọ́tò lọ, mo fẹ́ dé junction, ọ̀kadà kan, àwọn ọ̀kadà kan wà níwájú mi. So ọ̀kadà tó wà níwájú mi yẹn ní ìkan wá ń dá dúró, mo rò pé bóyá ó ti sẹ́ wá ń dá dúró níbi bus stop wọn yẹn tẹ́mi tá ti fẹ́ jáde sí títì. Dídá dúró wọn yẹn lójú títì yẹn ó wá disturb gbogbo àwọn mọ́tò tá ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn láti lọ. Wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní mú wọn, ẹni tí wọ́n dá dúró yẹn ó kàn dúró, kàn fọwọ́ kọ́ ara báyìí lórí ọ̀kadà yẹn ni. Bọ̀bọ̀ tí bí yẹn sáré mọ àwọn èèyàn náà ń fà padà pé ó sàfẹ́ lọ kọlù kánsàjọjà. So títí ìgbà tí ó rí pé ìyẹn fẹ́ jábọ́ lórí ọ̀kadà níbi tó stand ọ̀kadà sí, ó sọ̀kalẹ̀, òun náà fẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ méjèèjì dúró. Máa yí òsà gbà, máa yí sáà gbogbo àwọn tán mú ó sàn tí wọ́n ṣubú, á lu ẹlòmíì, á sì làwọn èèyàn bá filẹ̀. Ló bá lọ bá bàbá máa tó wà lórí ìdúró yẹn, ó gbé bó ṣe gbé máa yẹn báyìí, bó ṣe sán máa yẹn mọ́lẹ̀ nìyẹn. Guess what? Ohun tó sànyàn mọ́lẹ̀ ló kú lórí ẹni tó sán mọ́lẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ báyìí, mo fojú mi rí báyìí. Mo pẹ̀lú tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sí Alákòókò police station láti junction mẹ́rin yẹn. Mo pẹ̀lú tẹ̀lé wọn lọ nítorí pé nǹkan tí mo rí ni, mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé wọ́n lè tọ́nu ẹ̀ mọ́ ọkùnrin yẹn lọ́wọ́. Tọ́rọkùnrin yóò fẹ́ jákòdé bá jà náà, ìwọ náà ló tún wá túré gbé tọ́ lámọ́lẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ kù sí lórí. Àkọ́kọ́, ó lè jẹ́ pé mọ́lù kan wà lára ẹni yẹn. Níbi táwọn ọmọ Yorùbá lágbára dé, ó kàn lè dédé súnmọ́ yẹn kó fún ní 40. Ilé ọjọ́ yẹn lè máa ṣùbà ẹni tó fún yẹn ní 40 yẹn. Ilé ọjọ́ yẹn lè máa ṣùbà. So kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹlòmíì nítorí pé òun lo káà tó tóbi jù, wọ́n òun lo káà 90 million 150 million ní ọlọ́kadà tàbí oní bọ́ọ̀sì tàbí ń taxi wá ọwá rí pé ọwọ́ kò wà fẹ́ ó ṣe mistake jáná mi lẹ́nu ó wá nílé lọ ó wá lọ cross ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kó gbajúbò. That may be the end of your life. Etí tó gbá yẹn ó lè jó lọ máa gbá mọ nílé ayé ẹ̀. So ẹ̀yin yẹn mi ó máa wù mí tí n bá rí nǹkan tó kọ́ mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí mo mọ̀ pé ó máa kọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ó máa wù mí náà láti máa gbọ́. Ẹ rí i pé mo sọ fún yín wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi ò jó lójú kan o. Mo lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn àfáà lénìí kọjọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ pásítọ̀ ní máa sọ lọ́la. Mo lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lénìí kọjẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀ ní nǹkan tí mo máa sọ lọ́la. But gbogbo tí mò ń sọ towards ọmọ Yorùbá ni torí ọmọ Yorùbá ni mo fẹ́ kó máa fi kọ́gbọ́n. Gbogbo tí mò ń sọ látàárọ̀ yẹn rí pé èdè Yorùbá ni mo fi ń sọ. So àwọn problem tí ìwọ tó o bá tún wá gbọ́ èdè yìí tó lè ní nìyẹn. Ìyẹn lè fi rí pé gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tí mo ní diaspora tí wọ́n bá ti kọ́kọ́ pè mí báyìí pé ìjọ tí wọ́n bá kọ́kọ́ pè mí tá a kọ́kọ́ máa mara bàbá sọ tí mo kí wọn tán the first question tí máa kọ́kọ́ béèrè ni pé ṣé ń bá mi sọ Yorùbá sáwọn ọmọ yẹn. Èmi kọ́ ni mi lè rópin pọ́nmọ́ ẹ̀ ò lè padà ṣe rere fẹ́mi ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ ni ó ṣe rere fún jù because tọ́mọ ẹ bá di gómìnà ní ilẹ̀ abínibí Yorùbá nígbà tá a bá gba òmìnira wa tán bàbá gómìnà ni wọ́n á pè ẹ́. Tí bàbá rẹ ò bá jọba wọn ò lè pè ẹ́ lọ́mọba láíláí torí ìran bàbá tí wá jọba rí ni a fi ń jáde wálé orúkọ adé kò sí ọmọ tí wọ́n bí tí wọn ò ní fún ní orúkọ adé yẹn náà lórí èmi fi ń jẹ Adébáyọ̀ gangan lórúkọ Adéwálé ní orúkọ bàbá mi bọ̀ Adébáyọ̀ gangan ní orúkọ àbísọ tèmi nínú adé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ mi náà ni wọ́n dẹ̀ fún ní orúkọ adé. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́gbọ́n lórí ní tó bá dáa. Mo wo kinní kan lónìí ẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bà mí considering táwọn obìnrin méjèèjì tí wọ́n kọ́ wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ó ti rí lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan la lè gbé wá síbí níbi tí àwọn àgbààgbà kan ti lọ dúró tí wọ́n ń lísítẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń wọlé báyìí èmi tí ẹ̀ ń wò pé kí ni ẹ̀ ń wálẹ̀ àfìgbà tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wà ìyẹ̀pẹ̀ yẹn mo rò pé wọ́n ń gbúrò kíké ọmọ wọ́n wá tírèsì ẹ̀wà wọ́n wá bọ́ ibi tí ọmọ yẹn ti ń ké ọmọ èdè obìnrin yẹn ìbá àtẹ̀jọ́ obìnrin ló ṣe ìbá àjọkọ ló ṣe ọkọ ò tiẹ̀ lè ṣe ìyàwó ò ní gbàrú ẹ̀ láéláé àwọn obìnrin náà máa ń ṣe irú ẹ̀ bóyá oyún ẹ̀sìn ni tó ti bìlíì pé oyún yóò gbọdọ̀ kí ló wọ́n ti sọ fáwọn ọmọ òun ó dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ ọmọ ẹyọ kan tí ó jò lórí nínú gbogbo ọmọ ẹ̀ nìyẹn ó dẹ̀ gbé ọmọ yẹn ó dẹ̀ yí lásọ ó dẹ̀ lọ bò mọ́lẹ̀ nígbà tó lọ́n wá kọ́ pé ọmọ yẹn ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ wá sí láyé àwọn èèyàn wá ń gbọ́gbé ni wọ́n fi wá síbẹ̀ yẹn ọmọ èdè gbogbo yín ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà ni ó ti rí lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ọmọ èdè ṣe bí obìnrin lẹni tó ṣe nǹkan yẹn ṣe bóbìnrin làwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn méjèèjì tó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí obìnrin ni wọ́n nà ó obìnrin náà ni ẹni tó ṣe nǹkan yẹn tó lọ bo ọmọ mọ́lẹ̀ ọmọ òòjọ́ mọ́lẹ̀ obìnrin lòun náà so ó ní mo fi sọ pé ibi ń bẹ nínú ire ń bẹ nínú ibi ṣùgbọ́n èmi gbogbo ìgbà tí n bá máa lò láyé Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè mo jẹ́ kí n bá wọn ṣe bí o ire tí mo bá dẹ̀ ṣe Ọlọ́run jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ mi ó rí gbà o òkè ó lójú òbí tó lè sọ wípé kọ́lọ́run fi ìwà òun dá àwọn ọmọ òun lẹ́jọ́ ṣùgbọ́n mi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run gbogbo ìwà tí mò ń hù fi dá àwọn ọmọ mi lẹ́jọ́ o fi dá àwọn ọmọ mi lẹ́jọ́ Ọlọ́run ìwà tí mo bá ń hù inú mi le bí ma ti bínú wùrùwùrù inú mi ó ti tán nìyẹn so mi lẹ́ni tí mò ń dì sínú mo dẹ̀ lójú àánú débi pé téèyàn bá sọ̀rọ̀ tó tọ́ọ̀chì mi between 1 and 2 minutes mo ti ń ké tí mi ò ní mọ̀ tó mi ó ti mọ̀ jáde lójú mi so because á dàbẹ̀ ni pé mi gangan ni mo wà ní situation yẹn ni so mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ń bá mi rán àwọn aláàánú sí àwọn ọmọ tèmi náà bọ́lọ́run ò ṣe jẹ́ ká láàánú wọn mi Ọlọ́run ò jẹ́ kó wọ́n àwọn ọmọ mi gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ ká fi eléyìí ṣe àríkọ́ṣe Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú wa ojú ò ní tì wá a ní fojú sunkún ara wa títí di àsìkò tí ẹ tún wo nǹkan mi mo kí gbogbo yín pé ojú ọ̀fẹ́ rà kù ẹ ṣé gan ni.